welcome back to my channel. I am here to share a luxury haul slash unboxing with you guys. I have 3 items that I want to share with you guys today, and yeah, I got some really great deals on these items and I am so excited to share them with you guys because I love luxury and I know a lot of you love luxury as well, but we all love a nice deal, right? So let's go ahead and get into these items. All right guys, I just want to say how much I love and appreciate you guys for watching my video. If you're a returning subscriber, I absolutely appreciate you for coming and taking your time to watch my video. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video. Please consider giving me a like and subscribe for more videos, and let's go ahead and get into these items. Guys, so I'm going to actually start with these bad boys right here. I actually found these at Nordstrom Rack and I was searching for something for work probably, and there's a Nordstrom Rack near Koreatown, so I think it's like on 30, I don't want to like give you misinformation, but it's around 31st Street near Macy's Herald Square basically. So it's over there. They have some really good items there. They have such a good selection of sunglasses, designer sunglasses. So I actually picked up these Fendi sunglasses. This is my first pair of Fendi sunglasses and I absolutely love them. This is the box. A good tip is when you are shopping at Nordstrom Rack, I'm not sure about Marshalls, things like that, I only know about Nordstrom Rack, is that when you buy sunglasses, when you get to the cashier, ask for the case, because a lot of the time they may not offer it or it might slip their mind, but you can ask for a case for your sunglasses, and if they have the matching case or even the case that pertains to the brand, so even if it's not the specific case for your Dior sunglasses, but it's a Dior case, they will give it to you to protect your glasses absolutely free. So I got this little Fendi case when I got to the register. Just asked for my case, they gave it to me. Here is a little microfiber wipe that says Fendi on it. I haven't opened it yet. I have tried them on, but I haven't worn them fully yet. But these are so cute. I got them because I'm taking a quick little weekend trip with my best friend and a few family members. We are going to Puerto Rico in the beginning of September, so I just wanted a new pair of little fun sunglasses, and I don't currently own a pair of Aviators, so I wanted to get a pair of Aviators, but these are really cute because they're a little bit different, right? So they have this little bar across the top and I just really like them. I think these will be perfect to just pop on while we're there. I like Aviators because they kind of give a little bit more of a casual vibe off. I love a nice good pair of like big black sunglasses that are dramatic like everyone else, but sometimes you just want something easy. So I really love these. That was my first little item. My next item is a handbag, and it is a Brandon Blackwood bag. This is my first Brandon Blackwood handbag. I've seen them all over the internet, all over Instagram, and I definitely wanted to get one. They had a pop-up at Nordstrom New York City, and that was the perfect time for me to purchase because I did not want to go through having to order them. So I saw this one there and actually my husband got it for me. So let's go ahead and get into this bag. I've worn it a few times. If you follow me on social media, you might have seen it. It's just the cutest little bag ever, and I've been really into mini bags. So I love this because this is a black owned brand, but it is quite affordable. So this bag was actually only $135. So I think that is an amazing price. Cute little mini bag, but look at this color. It is a beautiful silver metallic tone. I love this little style. It's structured, but it's nice and soft. I know there are people who criticize the craftsmanship of the bags, but my bag is great. The glazing is great on the bag. I really love the bag. It fits all that I needed to fit. I love this little bag. This is perfect for, you know, just throwing on as a crossbody. Actually goes with goes with this outfit. So yeah, really love it. Has this little feature in the front. It says Brandon Blackwood stamped in black. Very small, so there's no crazy logos on it. I love that the strap is adjustable because I am only 5 feet. So a lot of crossbody bags hit me way too low. So I love that this bag is just perfect. I really like it. I've had a great experience with the bag, and I love to support Black-owned businesses, especially in the luxury arena. So really like this, and I can't wait to maybe try some more bags or some other things from Brandon Blackwood. But yeah, that was my little crossbody bag. I'll put the details of the bag down below in the description section. Lastly, I actually have a pair of shoes from Balenciaga. The story behind this is that I follow a fashion sort of blogger on Instagram called Fashion Sherlock, I believe, and she always posts sales and deals on shoes and handbags and clothing, and she posted these shoes and they were at an amazing price, guys. And I really wanted just some simple slides, almost like slipper type slides, and these fit the bill perfectly. So like I said, they're from Balenciaga, and you guys won't even believe how much I got these for. She also, there was an additional % off, so she let everyone know that yeah, they are on sale, but they had an additional % off. So these are them. Look at this color. Oh my gosh, I've really been trying to get into color, and I find that I feel more comfortable wearing color when it is in an accessory, so a handbag, a shoe, something like that, because with clothing I don't feel so comfortable with color, but something like a shoe I think I can definitely pull off. So I really love these. They literally look like slippers, and I tried them on. They're pretty comfortable. They are pretty substantial. I thought they would be a little bit actually more like a slipper, but they're not. They're actually more of a shoe. They're pretty structured. They this part right here, this padded part, is very thick and structured, so I think it'll really give me support while I'm wearing them. I might actually wear them tomorrow to work. I'll see how I can style them. I just bought this cute white shirt dress, so that might be a little moment. We'll see. But yeah, I wanted to share these with you. Again, I wanted to get some fun little sort of slides for my trip, and I could not pass up this price. Wait until I tell you guys the price for this. So they only had this in size 5 and a 6, and I am a size 5 and a half, but the website, which it mentioned in the comments to size up because they run a little small. So I got a size 6. They look a little big on my feet, but they fit. I think it's the way that the shoe is made. Like the back looks just a little bit big, but I'm sure that once I start walking in them, they'll probably get better. But they feel fine when I tried them on, and I got them for $197. I know. I think that's a great price for a pair of luxury slides. Considering a Dior D-Waist slide is almost $800 now. Hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing, my little luxury haul. I love to get things here and there, and I love a deal. So give me a like. Let me know what was the item that you liked most in this haul. What have you guys been picking up? What have you guys been shopping for? I like to get things here and there and be a little bit more conservative these days, but I love to add pieces to my collection. So as I add them, I will continue to share with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to comment down below and subscribe if you are already not subscribed, and hit that notification bell so you know the next time I upload. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.